Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, HID headlights, tire pressure monitor, front all-terrain tires. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.